How's your sleeps? Was it good? Good. I'm glad you got us. I'm glad you got a lot of sleep. Oh, my little sleepyhead. How's your stomach? Is your stomach doing okay? That's good. I'm glad. In your head, do you still have a headache? No? Okay, that's good. I'm glad you're feeling better, sweetie. No, sweetie. Can I get you anything? Anything whatsoever? Can I get you water, breakfast, anything you want? You want a purse? You want a Chanel purse? Birkin's bag? Anything you want, princess. Just let me know, okay? I see. You want me to cuddle with you? Yeah, I can cuddle with you. You know, I still find it wild that it's gonna be us three soon. Me, you, and the baby. That's just crazy. I mean, I'm so lucky to have you. I never thought I would ever get here. Having you and having a child coming soon, I feel so lucky. No, sweetie. I know. I know it's scary. But it's okay. You have me. Everything's gonna be okay. The baby's gonna come out so beautiful. And everything's gonna be so perfect, okay? You have nothing to worry about. No. I'll always take care of you. And I'll always take care of the baby. Of course. Anything for you, sweetheart. No, sweetie, let me give you a belly rub. Yeah. Your belly's so smooth. Oh, I think I can feel the baby moving. I think I can feel the baby kicking. I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents. I know, it's crazy. Sweetie, you're gonna be a great mother. Don't worry, okay? You don't have to worry. You really don't. You're gonna do fine. I know you're gonna do fine. You're gonna do fine because I know how caring you are. I know how nurturing you are. And I know how loving you are. That's why I fell in love with you in the first place. Because you're just so perfect and lovely in every single way. Okay? So you don't have to worry. Okay? course, I'm going to be a good father. I'll be a great father, okay? I'll raise our child the best that I can. And I'll love you and the baby with all my heart. So I promise you, I'll be a great father. And also a great husband. Because you guys are my everything. You know, when I first saw you, I was so nervous. I was so nervous to go up to you. You are so beautiful. I mean, I was scared. I was scared to come up to you. But I'm glad that I did. I was so shocked when you gave me your number. I was surprised and excited. And when I took you on your first date, it was magical. It was. I still remember what you wore and the perfume that you were wearing. You were so amazing. You were so kind. You were so nice. You were so loving. I loved everything about you. I really did. I mean, I fell madly in love with you that day. It really did. It was beautiful. And look at us now. Look at our journey. We're gonna have a family soon. I know. And I'm really glad to share this journey with you. I love you so much, baby. No, sweetie. The baby's kicking. Oh, it's kicking kind of hard. Alright, how's your belly doing? It's doing okay. Here, let me get you the warm water bottle. It'll make your belly feel better, okay? Yeah, give me 1 second. No, here you go, sweetie. I got you your heated water bottle. Here, let me put it on your belly for you. There you go. Doesn't that feel nice? It does, huh? Of course, baby, I'll do anything for you and the baby. Absolutely anything. Yeah, let's cuddle. Come here close. Good. Just like that.